Other tips that help with sleep quality other than food and drinks is of course doing like a 10 to 15 minute stretch routine or foam rolling. I like to foam roll my back and hamstrings at night to help get my body relaxed. Other options are also meditation for like, you don't have to do it that long, like 5-10 minutes, and really reducing the blue light, so the computer or phone time an hour before you typically sleep. A lot of people, and I use blue light blockers, which are really helpful, so you can use that if you still need to do some work on the computer. But I really try to tell my patients, like, the hour before you sleep, do some reading, do some light stretching or meditation, just so it gives your eyes a break from that stimulation, and that really helps kind of calm the mind down and get you better quality sleep. Other tips for better sleep in terms of activities. So if you're one of those people that loves to work out in the morning, like, kudos to you. I cannot do that. But I think it's a great way to get your body running. If you're one of those people that love to run at like 5-6 a.m., you're that kind of person that can do that. Or you can do a lot of the gym activities later in the morning. But for sleep, I tell my patients, try not to work out too hard, like heavy weightlifting or running, again, 2 to 3 hours before bedtime. So if, let's say, you sleep around 10 p.m., I would say if you were to work out, to do it around 5-6 p.m. Just so, because as you know, when you exercise, you get a lot of adrenaline, a lot of endorphins, so that keeps you up at night. So you definitely, again, mostly do, if you were to exercise, doing more stretching, more kind of like relaxing yoga, if you like to do that, to get your body primed for sleep.